In this video, I will cover the parameters used to rough the inside diameter of the part to its finished size. Select the roughing icon. The chaining dialog box will appear. Leave the default settings in the dialog box. Select Entity A, then Entity B as shown. Ensure the chaining direction is counterclockwise. Select the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. In the Toolpath Parameters tab, select the ID Rough Min 1-inch diameter with an insert of 75-degree tool and right-click on it and choose Edit Tool. Pick the Setup Tool button as shown and change the turret to right. From here, select the OK button twice and input the comment, rough and finish the ID. Now select the Rough Parameters tab and make any changes as shown. Change the stock recognition to Use Stock for outer boundary. Ensure that the depth of cut is set to 0.125 and the amount of stock to leave in X and Z is both 0.01. You can now select the OK button to exit the Lathe Rough dialog box. We will now backplot the operation to ensure that the tool motion is correct. Your toolpath will appear as shown. You can now exit backplot. Finally, verify all of the operations. Your part will appear as shown. You can now exit Verify. In the next video, I will cover the parameters used to create a grooving toolpath to finish the inside grooves on the part. In this video, I will demonstrate another grooving toolpath using multiple chains to define the groove. Select the groove icon and choose multiple chains when the grooving options dialog box appears. Select the OK button to exit the grooving options. Pick the entities as shown and then select the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. From the tool list, select the ID Groove Min 0.75 diameter tool. Right-click on the tool and choose the option Edit Tool. From here, pick the Setup Tool button and change the turret to right side. Select the OK button to exit the Lathe Tool Setup dialog box. Now select the Holders tab and make the changes to the holder size as shown. Make sure that the holder is set to internal right hand and make the following changes as shown. Ensure that the A value is set to 0.75, B is set to 8, C is set to 0.15, and D is set to 1.4. Once you have done this, select the OK button to exit the Define Tool dialog box. Now input the comment, machine the grooves on the ID. From here, choose the Groove Shape Parameters tab and enable Use Stock for Outer Boundary. This tells Mastercam how to use the stock as the groove's outer boundary. Then pick the Groove Rough Parameters tab. Enable the option to rough the groove and disable the option to finish each groove before roughing next. Also, set the cut direction to positive. Ensure that you set retraction moves to rapid and a back-off percentage of 20. Then choose the Groove Finish Parameters tab and input an overlap between passes value of 0.01. Now select the Lead-In button. Set the first pass and second pass lead-in entry vectors to -90 degrees. You can now select the OK button to exit the lead-in dialog box. Again, select the OK button to exit the Lathe Groove dialog box and generate the toolpath. Backplot the operation to ensure that the tool motion is correct. You can now exit Backplot. Now select all operations and verify your part. Your part will appear as shown. You can now exit Verify. In the next video, I will cover the parameters used to create a thread toolpath on the OD of this part.